Hello and welcome to this channel. This is Six Bias, the only place where signal pops. And I'm just creating this video. The market hasn't started yet, as you can see. I'm recording from Nigeria. The market hasn't started yet, so I'm just making this video to create awareness on what will happen tomorrow, New York session time, where I'll be giving out free signals from the New York session time. First of all is that I'll be introducing the pairs that will be tradable for the day. I'll tell you the pairs that should be looked out for, and I'll tell you how to chart out entries and then enter in the particular direction that the pairs are going to move in. So it will be happening tomorrow, the New York time frame. Let's say the AUD USD is a choice pair for tomorrow. That is after the analysis. I'll tell you to choose the AUD USD, and I'll tell you if it's a buy bias or a sell bias. And then I'll tell you to look out for entries, that is pullbacks, drawdowns, or such things, consolidations mainly. Yes, look out for them to enter in particular directions. So that is basically what will happen tomorrow. Tune in, that is around New York time. That is 8 a.m. New York time. That is when it will start. Usually I use my MACD indicators for entry. So majorly the entries might be on the lower time frame, that is a 5 minutes, and the 1 minute time frame. So all you have to do is just to keep your alarm ready for the signals that will come tomorrow. Six Bias, the only place where signal pops.